Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix if you are facing that your audio has no input. So if you are facing on your Windows 11, there's a warning here, the audio has no input or something like that. What you have to do, you just press start on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's supposed to be similar method, and then you type in services, and then you open the services system. It will be like this is the interface, and then you scroll down until you can find the Windows audio. So you just click anywhere and then press W on your keyboard, and it will be jump into W section, and then find this Windows audio, double click on it, and then make sure your startup type is automatic, and then you make sure the service status is running by clicking this start. After that, you click apply and then OK, and then you restart your computer. And if it still doesn't working, what you have to do, you just press start and then find device manager. You just type in device manager. And then make sure on this audio inputs and outputs, there are no red color, which means there's something wrong. You just right click on it and then make sure it is enabled, not disabled device. And for both of them, commonly speaker and headphones or HD definition speakers, something like that, you just make sure all enable. So my one already enabled, so if I click this one, it disabled the device. So that's it. And then if still not working, I believe the problem is on your hardware. So if it's on your hardware, you have to bring it to your service center, to your near service center. Okay, that is it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Visit the subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.